Wa MH Kharkrang ubare uhe pulit barem jong Sorkar Jylla bot bala kala long udkhot ka seng san hima Bharatiya Janata Party ulaong. Balada ka jingïakren ka hinyaw trap National Liberation Council bot ka Sorkar Jylla kan wan rai ka syong sok san hi kan dai ka sin jam ka babha palat. Ya kan niu ba Kharkrang ubare nong ai tien ka party ulakren hakilat pathai kwar hadien ka jingèlang ka party ha ka janmiet jong ka sitare unok pra arja arpulai ha ka bala pentep ye kinonggit kam bathamai jong ka party.
As a former IPS officer, how do you see this ongoing peace talks between the government and the HNLC?
If it can bring peace to the state, why not?
Well, we have seen the HNLC is demanding for amnesty. So because they say that without amnesty, we cannot take the peace talk forward.
See, the thing is, we are not privy to all that, privy to what the government is intending to do. But because here even the courts are involved also for that matter. So I really don't know how the government will handle this. And I think so let's leave it to the government because we are not privy to that.
Should the government provide them amnesty?
No comments on my side.